Hello and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentley. Here are today's top stories. Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto begins state visit to India. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates Meghalaya CNRD block. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates upgraded first referral unit at Ranikor CHC. And NPP confident of winning the KHADC and JHADC elections. The news in detail. Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto on a 4-day state visit to India paid tribute to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat before engaging in talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi today. The discussions will focus on strengthening bilateral ties and addressing regional and global issues. Several agreements are expected to be signed following the talks. President Subianto will also meet President Draupadi Murmu and be the chief guest at the 76th Republic Day celebrations tomorrow.
ये सीधी तस्वीरें आप देख पा रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी के साथ और यह हमारे लिए अत्यंत गर्व का विषय है कि जब हम गणतंत्र के
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the Meghalaya CNRD block in Ribhoi district at Umsawlai, marking a significant step in enhancing local services and fostering community development. The block will serve 66 villages in the region. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma praised MLA Charles Marngar for his efforts, highlighting the positive impact the new block will have on the community. Additionally, tablets were distributed to students under the Student Digital Learning Scheme to support their exam preparation.
Whose vision, dedication and commitment to his people has made this CNRD block something that was being there for a very long time, being demanded by people and leaders for many, many years. But it has been possible because of the dedication, commitment, hard work of your MLA, your leader, Charles.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the newly upgraded first referral unit at Ranikor Community Health Centre in southwest Khasi Hills yesterday. Accompanied by Health Minister Ampreen Lingdo and other officials, Sangma highlighted the upgraded facilities, including functional operation theatre, labour room and advanced medical equipment. The upgrade aims to improve healthcare access for rural residents, reducing the need to travel long distances for medical services. Chief Minister Sangma expressed appreciation for the healthcare workers serving in challenging areas like Ranikor.
I also would like to thank our doctors and nurses who have been placed here and are providing dedicated service. It is not always easy to be in interior locations and providing the kind of service that they do, but their dedication, in a way sacrifice and their commitment to their work and more important to the people of the state is something that I would like to give my sense of appreciation to them.
National People's Party President Conrad Sangma expressed confidence in the party's victory in the Autonomous District Council elections. Speaking at a public meeting in Pancharing village yesterday, Sangma highlighted the positive response from voters and emphasized the hard work of the party's candidates. He expressed optimism that with the support of the people and divine blessings, the NPP will succeed in both districts.
Campaign has started and we are getting very positive response. A lot of our candidates have a lot of support at the constituency level, and even today you can see the kind of response that we're getting. So as a party, we are very, very confident that we will win this election. I'm getting tremendous response from everywhere. Of course, I've always maintained that we can't take things for granted, and we have to work as a party. Our candidates have to work hard, but I'm very sure with the blessing of the people and with the blessing of Almighty, we will come out successful in both Jayantha Hills and Khasi Hills.
Meghalaya marked the 15th National Voters' Day under the theme, "Nothing like voting, I vote for sure." In Tura, the event featured a pledge ceremony and the felicitation of booth-level officers. Newly eligible voters received their electoral photo identity cards. Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar and other officials highlighted the importance of voting and Meghalaya's peaceful election record, encouraging citizens to actively participate in the democratic process.
Religion.
As we celebrate the 15th National Voters' Day, a day dedicated to honoring the essence of democracy and the crucial role in each one of us plays in shaping the future of our nation. On this day, the Election Commission of India recognizes the importance of every voter, as their participation forms the foundation of vibrant democracy.
Meghalaya's Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma announced the government's decision to establish 2 new degree colleges in East Jayantha Hills and West Khasi Hills within the current academic year. The proposal has been approved and the Education Department has already advertised for the recruitment of over 100 faculty members. Additionally, Patharkhma and Rongjeng degree colleges will be operational this year alongside the opening of Mauplang Commerce and Science College.
For the historic, we have come up with our own state university. The two degree college, like in Patharkhma, the Rongjeng has already completed, and the academic already started in Rongjeng, and from Patharkhma will be starting from this academic. And the Mauplang and Banagan Science and Commerce College will be academic start, as already announced by Honorable Chief Minister, will be begins from this academic. And the ministry has already approved, and will be having 2 more new degree college.
Meghalaya's Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma announced that the department has requested land from the government for the Shillong campus of the Captain Williamson Sangma State University. The project is in progress, with the department now searching for a temporary campus. Responding to allegations that colleges are being forced to affiliate with the state university, Sangma clarified that no such pressure is occurring.
Already announced, already in the pipeline, we are searching for the temporary campus right now. At the moment, we will looking for the space, right, campus for the Shillong campus. But however, for the permanent campus in the Shillong, we are looking for the land, and we are writing to the government for a allocation of the land from the urban office for the education department for the setting up a permanent campus in Shillong. It is the question of forcing doesn't arise. It is a choice of the institutions and the colleges of the state, because there's all the things like the whole idea coming up with a state university for the comfortable and convenience of our state's students.
Deputy Chief Minister Sneha Bhalangdhar was the chief guest at the shooting discipline medal ceremony held in Chiliangrai and later attended the closing ceremony of the 6th Meghalaya Games at Kyangnangba Stadium in July. The final day of the games featured Kho-Kho, Muay Thai, basketball and shooting. In women's Kho-Kho competition, West Khasi Hills took gold, followed by Southwest Khasi Hills and Eastern West Khasi Hills. In the men's Kho-Kho competition, Eastern West Khasi Hills clinched gold. West Khasi Hills won the women's basketball gold, while East Khasi Hills dominated the men's category. Meghalaya police apprehended 8 Bangladeshi nationals, including 2 women, near Halidayganj in West Garo Hills yesterday while they attempted to illegally enter India. Acting on intelligence, police intercepted a group which included individuals aged between 18 and 39 years, all hailing from Mitapukur and Sabar in Bangladesh. The group had crossed into India through the Dalu area. One of the women was found to be a minor. The police also seized 2 live snakes from the vehicle used by the group, which were then handed over to the Wildlife Department. A case has been registered. The 6th Meghalaya Games 2025 athletics competition wrapped up at the Wayajer Multi-Sports Complex, with West Jaintia Hills emerging as the top performer. Henry Yoga A. Sangma was named Best Male Athlete, while Damika R. Lingdo took the Best Female Athlete honours. Joytiful Narlong was recognised as the Best Promising Athlete. West Jaintia Hills also excelled in the mixed relay and 200-metre events. Meanwhile, East Garo Hills claimed gold in the women's volleyball category, and West Garo Hills defended their men's title, both with standout individual performances. President Draupadi Murmu will address the nation today on the eve of Republic Day. The address will be broadcast from 7 p.m. on the entire national network of Akashvani and Doordarshan channel. And now for a look at the weather report. First, let's look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was 16 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 32 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 30%. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was recorded at 7.1 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 18.1 degrees Celsius with relative humidity of 72%. In Juwai, the minimum temperature was 7 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 18 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 46%. The forecast in Tura and Juwai say that dry weather is likely at most places. In Shillong, shallow to moderate fog is likely at isolated places. That brings us to the end of today's news edition. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.